So it's Wednesday, it's time for more weird stuff around the grove. Behind me is the formerly huge lychee tree. This was about 3 times its height now, and over the years we made it smaller, and then the lychee Aranos mite came along and they made it much smaller after that. The trunks and stuff are a little bit white from the whitewash they put on it, but they have sprayed the leaves many times. I think it was 7 times, and all evidence of the lychee leaf curl mite or lychee Aranos mite is gone. You know, there's no evidence. So healthy growth, and we have a completely different environment underneath this tree, or underneath what used to be the canopy of the tree. There's a lot more sunshine, and I just noticed something that's really interesting to me. This is a mango tree. I did not plant a seed here. There's just tons of roots all over. This whole area has been lifted up over the years because of the massive roots that are all over. Mango seed landed here somehow, and this is what is crazy. We have bloom and even a very small fruit set here. So anyway, this is interesting to me for many reasons. One is, how it survived in the first place. If a seed is planted with all these roots, it seems like it's, possibility of success is pretty low, and plus it's elevated. This doesn't get a lot of moisture, but somehow it survived and was able to send roots between the existing roots. I don't know how old this tree is. If this were planted anywhere else in the grove, had the seed fallen or been planted somewhere else, this would probably represent about a 2-year-old tree. But I'm guessing this is a lot older than 2 years, because I think that it wouldn't have grown very quickly in this circumstance. So maybe it's 4 years, 5 years old. It had a lot of shade before, so it could have been growing very slowly. Even so, even if we go for the 5-year mark, this is crazy. To have a seedling tree flower without any special treatment. Now, one of the things that might have encouraged it to flower is its harsh environment, because sometimes when mango seedlings endure extreme situations, either temperature or moisture or that kind of thing, it sort of ages them more quickly. So if you had planted a mango seed in a happy situation, you might have to wait more than 10 years for it to produce a fruit. Hopefully this one will produce a fruit this year. All we need is 1 fruit from this panicle to test it out, to see if it's a variety worth keeping. I'm always excited to try a new variety for the first time. And so fingers crossed, later this season we might get a mango.